we have to discuss about data types in JavaScript. Data type is nothing but some kind of data can be stored. For example, where x equal to 10, here 10 is a number, that is number data type. JavaScript data types can be divided into two types: primitive or primary data type, non-primitive or reference data type. JavaScript is a dynamic scripting language, which means we do not worry about specify the value type. For example, programming languages like Java, if you want to declare a integer value, we should declare it using int keyword, that is int x equal to 10. But here we need not to specify it automatically used by JavaScript engine. For example, every data type like integer, float, string, array, we can using it with where keyword. Example, where x equal to 10, where y equal to 10.5, like that. Now we have to know about JavaScript primitive data type. Primitive data type is a data that doesn't contain any objects, methods, and we cannot store multiple values at a time. For example, here you can see where x equal to 10, we can assign only one value for x. We cannot give any multiple values. JavaScript primitive data type can five different ways: number data type, string data type, boolean, undefined, and null. Number data type, it stores any type of number like negative number, positive, or float numbers. String data type, we can store string values. We can hold string within a single quote or double quotes, as you can see on example. Boolean data type, it holds true or false. For example, where x equal to 10 and where y equal to 10, where z equal to 5. If I compare x and y value, x and y, which returns true because x and y both are contained same value. If I compare x with z, which returns false because x and y contain different values. Undefined, it returns undefined values. For suppose we declare a variable and we cannot assigning any value for that, in that case we can get undefined value. Here you can see the example. Null, in JavaScript, null considered as an object. If you want to know the what type of null, you have simply you can type of null which returns an object. For suppose null equal to undefined, which returns true, but null triple equal to undefined, which is not true because null is an object, whereas undefined considered itself undefined only. Non-primitive or reference data type. In this, we can store multiple values at a time, and also we can perform methods, also give a reference from one object to another object, one array to another value. We can change the values of non-primitive data type. There are some examples of non-primitive data types in JavaScript. That's all: objects, arrays, and functions. These are somehow big concept, but now I'll give some brief introduction about objects, arrays, and function. Now we have to discuss about non-primitive data types of JavaScript like objects, arrays, and functions. Now we have to know about object. Object is a thing that contains properties and methods. For example, in real life, everything is an object. If you take us, we have some properties like we can talk, we can walk, like that. We have so many properties. So in JavaScript, we declare object within curly braces with the name of an object. Here you can see an example. School is an object that contains two properties like name and address. And if you want to call name property only of that object, we can call it as object name dot property name. In that case, school dot name, it returns the value of that property. Array. Arrays are used to store multiple values for a single variable. We can declare arrays within braces, as you can see in example. Functions. JavaScript function. Function is a block of code to execute or perform some particular task. It is more reusable. I mean, wherever we need it, that function, we can call it that function with the function name, as you can see on example. This is all about JavaScript non-primitive data type. Now we have to discuss about operators in JavaScript. First, we have to know what is an operator. Operator is a symbol which performs mathematical calculations. They are following JavaScript operators, that's all: arithmetic operators, comparison or relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, special operators. Arithmetic operators. These are used to perform arithmetic calculations as shown below. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Division, we can get a coefficient value. Modulo division, we can get a remainder value. Comparison are relational operators. These are used to compare two values to find the relation between the values, either is true or false. For example, 10 equal to 10, which is true. The following are the JavaScript comparison operators: is equal to, not identical, greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. Logical operators. We can perform logical operations like and, or, not, as you can see in the picture. Bitwise operators. These are the some bitwise operators in JavaScript. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assigning value from right side operand to left side operand. For example, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, then c equal to a plus b. Here we assign a and b values to the c. The following are the JavaScript assignment operators.